Bitcoin has went right. Bitcoin has gone right up to $65,000. We have seen how MYRO Coin has been pumping. REEF Coin also is pumping, and Bread Coin haven't stopped pumping. You are welcome back again on the Returns Crypto, guys. The market looks so good. Our coins are pumping. Baby Doge coin is doing so well. I want us to look at Baby Doge coin today, MYRO coin, Bread coin, and and Reef Crypto. These bad boys have been like on fire recently. And I want us to look at some predictions, look at price actions, look at the chart. This is where we are good. This is our domain, this is our zone. And let's see what we might expect from this bad boy. I know those of you who are investing in Baby Dogecoin, you are like, oh, what will happen with Baby Dogecoin? Of course, we are going to discuss about that. So if this is your first time on my platform, guys, if this is your very, very first time, this is the Beton Crypto. Yeah, I create content to help anyone out there who want to make it happen in this space, to understand what is market structure, when to take out profit, when to buy. Of course, guys, I am no financial advisor. Don't go and buy. I'm saying what I do, and I do this for educational purpose only. So I'm not here to tell you to go and buy. No, I'm here to educate you based on my own knowledge. So if say you want to buy, make sure you do your own due diligence. Oh boy. But don't forget to subscribe. Welcome to all of you who are always here with me. Don't forget to do the normal stuff. Subscribe, like, and share. We don't have much time to talk. We don't have time to talk, Let's dive into what we got for you guys today. You know. Now, this is crypto bubbles. Of course, the dream, yeah. Oh, I'm gonna have to. My lips is okay. I have to look good for you guys. Yeah. Now, this is crypto bubbles. Okay, and we are now looking at the top 100 coins. And the ones again in green are the ones that are doing well against Bitcoin, and the ones in red are the ones that Bitcoin is outperforming. But if you go to the top 200 coins, you're gonna see that we have more green here. Boomer is up. Saga is doing well. Woo, people, Ray, Root. So it's like a rotation. There are some coins that were doing well before. Now they're not doing well anymore. So coins that were not doing well are now doing well. So you can go to crypto bubbles to see the overview of the market. And if you want to look at yearly performance, weekly performance, you can click on the bubbles to give you that. Like for example, Boomer for the month is up 30%, for the week 35%, for the day 16%, and for the hour 1.1%. It means that this coin is bullish. Boomer is bullish. Yeah, maybe I should do a separate video on Boomer, to look at some price actions, see where this bad boy is heading. But today we are not gonna go to Boomer. We're gonna look at Reef, Baby Dogecoin, Bread, and yeah, that's the coins we're gonna be looking at today. Now let's begin with Rift. Okay. Let's see what this bad boy is doing. I think Rift volume is almost similar to Baby Dogecoin. We're gonna look at Baby Dogecoin volume and then look at Rift coin volume. So let's begin with Rift coin. Let's see. Now, guys, I made some videos about this coin long time ago, and I talk about it. Guys, I cannot buy every coin, okay? I cannot buy every coin, but I can share with you guys coins that are doing so well. I bought this coin before and I get out from the coin, and I share with you guys that this is a good project. I've made videos about this coin and I saw it pumping again today. So I decided to do another video about the coin, because I think that it's wise for you guys to understand my thought process. I can come here always and share with you guys project. I must not be buying those projects, but what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to have like a list of cryptocurrencies that we are investing in our ecosystem. And we know that these coins move alongside Bitcoin or can make us more Bitcoin or have a strong community. So whenever I come here, I share with you guys project. You can just write down the project. If say you are looking for something to buy, you can now go back there and say, okay, if this is the right coin to buy. You can even go to my free Telegram group. The link is found below this video. At the description of this video, go there and you're gonna find the link to my free Telegram group. Comment there that what about REEF? I should do analysis on REEF. If say REEF is good to buy, and not only REEF, it could be some other coin. That I've talked about. I've talked about so many coins on my platform. That I go along with the momentum. So if the coin is doing well, I now look at the coin and see if say I can look at levels where I can get in doing retracement. Like, I don't buy it during the pump. I buy it when I've seen retracement, and which the retracement must be accompanied by break of structure. Okay, and not only break of structure, but price must respect structure. So this is the chart of refinance. Before I even go there, let's just stick here a little bit. you know the volume has increased. Yep, so let's go scroll down to see the markets where you can buy this coin. You can buy it on Binance, or you can buy it on these exchanges. You can see Mexi, Bitget. And if say you want to know more about the project, you can go here and read more about it. About Reef. You can do this on Coin Market Cap. Read more about Reef, what it's all about, the kind of technology that they are providing, and so on and so forth. I'm not going to read all of this. I just want you guys to see where you can go and get more information about this project. Now, let's get to the chart of Reef. So, looking at this, right, it's but obvious that we are in an uptrend and we might see some sort of pullback here because this area has previous data. If you look at what price did here previously, price rejected here multiple times, or there's a lot of volume there. I think maybe we're gonna see some sort of reversal. Now, this is the weekly time frame for REEF. Okay, so this bad boy has been in a constant pump. Every week is pumping to the upside. Look at the gains. Look at these guys. And this is what I always say to you guys. Whenever you are buying any project, you need to understand if that coin has a good community, or like the narrative behind that coin. Now, this pump here, I think, is more of manipulation. This chart is not sustainable. If I go to the daily time frame, I can show you guys more on what I'm talking about. Yeah, you can see this chart is not sustainable. If you're buying right now, then you're wasting your time. You're gonna be burned, you're gonna be dumped upon. Okay, so what you do is you apply my strategy. You bring in the Fibonacci tool from this bottom where the pump started to this area that I believe is the top. Because I'm seeing this green, this purple, sorry, this blue vector candle printing here. So whenever you see a blue vector candle printing at the top of any pump, then you know that the market makers are preparing to push price back to the downside. Now, let's say this candle is gonna close here. Oh yeah, this is gonna end here. Now we are looking at these zones. This zone, that I always mention, the 0.382 zone, the zero point 0.5 zone, 0.1 0.618 zone, which is the golden pocket, and the 0.786 zone. So this is the zone we are looking at to get involved. This area. Now, it doesn't mean that they cannot still bring price down here. They can still bring price down here, but the momentum is so high that I think they are gonna bring price in either of this range here. But where I'm looking for my confirmation is when the price is gonna hit the better moving average. So this is my moving average. I created it. It's my stuff. So when price is gonna hit it, I don't know when, but whenever price hit this moving average, this one like this, it's gonna make it way to the upside. Whenever price hits it, that's when I'm buying on the daily time frame. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at for REEF. I'm gonna, do like do like place in a notification, there that okay, let me just do it quickly because I think if I don't do it now, I'm gonna miss it. So let me have a notification here. So let me create this at alert on Wave. Let's see. Yes, what outlet do I want? Crossing the bottom moving average. Uh, hits. No, I want to do this. I don't want to use this to waste time. I'm gonna do this later on. I'm gonna create an outlet for this. Then whenever price hits this moving average, that's when I'm going to buy. Reef. So this is what I'm looking at for Reef. So that's that for Reef. If say you want to invest in Reef, wait for pullback. Don't buy right now. Now it's not the time to buy. Now it's the time to watch. As others are being burned. Now many people are gonna buy not knowing that they're gonna be burned, because this is more of divergence. You can see price is forming divergence here for refinance. So I don't think that reef is gonna go anywhere. You see, it's divergence here. I'm gonna see a huge dump whoop, so yeah, just that's what I'm looking at. Now, talking about the baby Doge coin. What is the baby doing? Oh boy, the volume has dropped right down to 19%. We are now at 46 million, which is still good. This is tradable. When you see a volume like this, it means that it's tradable. It's listed on Binance and all these major exchanges. But for those of you who are traders, again, when you start seeing volume dropping, you want to get out from that project, at least cash out some profits. Still, same thing with those of you, for those of you who are like swing traders. You can always take advantage of price action, and like place your stop loss, take profit, then you wait for pullback, you buy again, and do all this good stuff. It's good you understand how to navigate the market. Of course, watching my channel, you are always going to be on top of your game, because I am here for you. I'm here to give you the vibe, to give you the juice, whatever it is, juice. Oh boy, guys, let's dive into our analysis. Let's get to the chart of Baby Doge coin. I know that's what you guys wanna see. Now, this chart looks the same way. Like, this is our analysis, guys. We have been doing this analysis for a long time now, ever since, I mean, like, consistently, of course, ever since it was like day before it was launched on Binance, and from the day it was launched on Binance. Okay, now we are in this range. Baby Dogecoin has gone and formed higher highs, yeah, on the 4 hours time frame. Now, whenever I see something like this, whenever I see break of structure, the structure was broken here. Of course, it was broken here. Whenever I see break of structure like this, I expect pullback, at least back to that into that range. Did we see pullback? Of course, we saw pullback during the break of structure. The first pullback that we saw was during this area here, like this moment, this price action here. You know, we saw this pullback here. Of course, this pullback isn't enough, right? Because after this pullback, we saw another break of structure here. Price started making higher highs from there for Dogecoin, and now price is back in that zone that I mentioned to you guys, that if price get into this area and break this minor support, and make it way right down towards the value area low of this volume profile, then we are going to see price recover most of these vectors here. Most of those vectors you can find it on lower time frame, like the 4 hours time frame. But I want us to focus, on the 4 hours time frame, because I am more of a swing trader. Like, guys, trust me, I haven't buy Baby Dogecoin. I have none of this bad boy. The reason why I keep doing analysis on this bad boy is because I want to get a perfect entry. I might never get a perfect entry, but still I'm in profit. Okay, because there are zones that I want to show you guys today that I sold at that zone at profit, huge profit. Now I had to wait for price to break structure again before I get. I'm not an investor of Baby Dogecoin. I'm a trader. I'm swing trading Baby Dogecoin. I love the project because it helps me to make more Bitcoin. So I have to do this. I trade Baby Dogecoin as I trade any other coin out there that makes me more Bitcoin. Okay, so looking at this structure, yeah, I'll rightly say to you guys that we might see some like one move to the upside, okay, and it's gonna form divergence as what we saw with refinance. But at the same time, also, this bad boy can just keep going up, 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 up. It can happen like that until it get to 10 billion market cap. It can happen, and I might miss on it. Of course, I will never miss on it. Let me explain to you guys why. Let me show you guys a different chart, of a Doge coin that I think it's gonna help you understand where I'm coming from. Now, this chart for Baby Dogecoin is the chart that I think is the same chart that I'm looking at. Yeah. So look at this, guys. Look at this. This is the daily time frame. Now we have broken all of this structure here, and we are heading towards the all-time high of Baby Dogecoin. I think so, right? Because now I'm looking at this let's see. I think let me just get the contract. Let me get the contract and go straight away to Dex Screener to see if I can get let's see if I can get a proper chart of Baby Dogecoin. Let's see. Dex Screener. Maybe I'm gonna get the real charts. I'm gonna paste the contract there to give me the so I'm gonna see it from the day it was launched, and yeah, pancake swap. So let's see what we got here for this bad boy. Okay. I'm gonna go to the weekly time frame to see this. Okay. So, this was the all-time high when it was launched. So let's do this. Okay, well, you see, when it was launched, look at this pump here. It was launched 31st of May 2021, and it pumped whoop. And ever since we haven't seen it come like wow, it's great. Look at this bad boy. Like these guys have been holding here. Look at my previous analysis here. And same thing here again. Now, looking at where we are now, guys, is very crucial for Dogecoin. Let's stay on this chart because I think this chart is more cool. Let's stay on this chart to see what we got here. So, looking at this range now, guys, for Baby Dogecoin, I'm looking at this now on the weekly time frame. I'm gonna go to the daily time frame. Okay, so where we are right now, we are heading towards this previous high, this high here. And each time Baby Dogecoin get to like closer to the previous high, we always see price, pull back. Like for example, what happened here? Price went towards this area, yeah, and we saw pullback. Price went there and we saw pullback. So on the weekly time frame, we cannot say that Baby Dogecoin has broken structure because if we look at this, if we have a trend line here, you're gonna see that it's in a downtrend, down, 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 down until we see price break structure. You see, we are still in a downtrend, like lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high for Baby Dogecoin. So looking at this on the daily time frame, on the weekly time frame, I would say that we might see some sort of pullback, no doubt, and this pullback might come like in from this range. So price might do something like this for Baby Dogecoin. You can do something like this, then come back here before you can buy, or even come right down here. So I think we're gonna see pullback. No doubt we are gonna see pullback. It's not healthy. The chart is not healthy. But at the same time, as I mentioned, we can see this coin pump like 10x like that. Like that. It can happen. But when am I gonna get in? That's what I want you guys to know. Because I'm not gonna just sit here and allow you guys enjoy all of the profit. Now, I traded this coin here on Binance, but it was somehow little money, and I got out here. But I'm not still in Baby Dogecoin. Okay, I didn't follow this pump here, but I bought this pullback here the year. And I sold when price got to that area. But now, when am I gonna enter again Baby Dogecoin? So this is a, a big decision I have to make, and this decision is easy. Why is it easy? Because it's good. I'm gonna get in when price retrace back towards this area. Price has made higher highs. You can see it has broken structure. So what I should do is wait for pullback. And where am I waiting for this pullback? Where this area where I'm looking at these vectors here. These vectors, I believe that at one point they are gonna come to recover this vector. But at the same time, okay, short term, if price is going to stay in this range, if I pull down to the 4 hours time frame, if price keep doing this, I mentioned to you guys that if price keep doing this, like going sideways, let's even go more downward to the 1 hour time frame. So if price keep doing this, moving in this range, rejecting this zone multiple times, then I'm gonna confirm we are gonna be pumping, and this is gonna be in confluence to what this bad boy will do, Bitcoin. And as of now, Bitcoin has gone to where the alpha trend created a sell signal. So those of you who are like happy that Bitcoin has gone to $65,000, don't be. You have to apply the way we trade, or the way I teach you guys on how I trade these coins. Now, whenever you see a move like this, a downward move like this, and pullback, and the pullback went right towards this area where the alpha trend printed a sell signal, we are going to expect pullback for Bitcoin. And when we expect pullback for Bitcoin, the pullback at least shouldn't go like below this structure here that it was broken. It break the structure here. So the pullback shouldn't come like right below. No, the pullback should stay at least to cover half of this vector here, half of this vector. So that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. But at the same time, I want to see Bitcoin, break structure, yeah. This is a good example. Break it, yeah, and come back. And if Bitcoin do this, guys, trust me, Baby Doge coin is gonna fly from here. I'm gonna buy Baby Doge coin. So this is a coin that I know majority of you who follow my channel, you are investing in. Okay, and I want you to make as many profit, or as much profit as you can. Yeah, as much profit as you can. That's my goal here. I want you to make huge gains. Look at price action and enjoy the gains, because this is how we make money. When we trade, we invest, we make money. Trading is just to make money, like weekly passive income, but investing is how you make the real gains. Okay, so if you are a diehard fan for Baby Dogecoin, note that you are going to make money, no doubt, long term. If you are going to buy this project, hold it. Why? Because these guys, I believe they are going to, at one point come with their own blockchain, like what Shiba Inu did. And also, I believe that they are going to keep building more utilities. They might even go into, yeah, I wanted to say they might even go into the gaming sector. They are already in the gaming sector, the Baby Doge Power, right? They are, rolling out Baby Doge Coin wallet, and they have the Baby Doge Coin swap. So when you see a project keep building utilities around their project, it means that they want to be relevant long term. It's not only about the narrative, the meme coin narrative, they want to be here for a long time. So I want you guys to, like those of you who are investors, this is how you invest. If say you want to take advantage of the market, let's say, for example, like my viewers, I consider my viewers as people who have little or no money, right? They have little to invest in. So let's say, for example, you have $1,000 or $500 that you want to invest in, and you have seen Baby Dogecoin as a very good coin that you want to buy. Now, you don't just buy with like everything you got. No, you can start buying with $100, but make sure you keep at least 60% of that money in Bitcoin. Okay, so you can buy with $100 and you buy spot to trade with the same $100. So you have investment for Baby Dogecoin that is $100, and you have spot trading that you are trading Baby Dogecoin spot with $100, and you have $300 in Bitcoin or Ethereum. Okay, now why should you have your money in Bitcoin? Let's say the market is dumping and your money is in Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is dumping also. Like, you like, okay, now my money is dumping. No, don't look at it more on the US dollars value. Look at it more on the amount of Bitcoin you are accumulating every time you sell Baby Doge coin into Bitcoin, and whenever Bitcoin is dumping, let's say Bitcoin will dump 10%, most of those altcoins out there are going to dump even more. That's when you get in. So you're going to sacrifice 5% or 10% for a Bitcoin drop and buy a coin which have dropped 30%. So you have 20% upside to make for that Bitcoin, for Bitcoin. Right. So you keep doing this because in the end, whether you are an investor of a Dogecoin or a trader, the way you keep that money is when you buy Bitcoin. It's only when you buy Bitcoin, because if the market is gonna dip, you don't want to be in US dollar. US dollar inflation is 20% like every year. So you want to be in a currency that you know long term, you have a plan that in the next 5 years, you're gonna keep building your investment until it get to a certain amount, let's say $10,000, $100,000 in your trading and investment account. And you know that from this money, you can make passive income from it. Like you can start making $10,000 every month. And this could be a good money for you to make like every month. So I had to stress, guys, I'm not just here to say bye, do the. I'm here to educate you guys. We must make it in this game. Like when I say make it, I means that we have to be among those who are multi-millionaire in this industry. I'm not a multi-millionaire, but I want to be even a billionaire from my investment and my trading. I'm gonna keep building, and we still have time. So every day we have to make sure we are able to make Bitcoin. So this is something important, and if this has clicked in your brain, then you have learned the most important lesson in this industry. That's like one of the reasons why most people lose money here, because they ignore Bitcoin. They fall in love with a project which is just a project, okay? But they don't understand that these are currencies just like fiat, and fiat currency. We have strong and weak currency. Investors or billionaires have their money always in the strong currency, or they trade, with in strong currency. You know, they don't go and keep their money in naira, in pesos or in ram or in CFA. They keep their money in like in a more superior currency. That's how they go about it. So if you understand this, then I believe you are gonna be successful long term. So let's dive. I love to pause and explain to you guys stuff so that you guys understand where we are and why we do what we do, not just because we want to make money or we want to, like, you don't understand the game. So again, we're looking at, if say Baby Dogecoin keep doing this, I think we're gonna see a problem. Why? Because of this vector here. So price have recovered this half of this vector kind of here. So I think we're gonna see the next move to the upside soon, and price might go and form higher high. Price can keep going up. Okay, it might not stop. So I think I should look for a short term buy. Yeah, then maybe cash out profit around this area. So it's gonna be a short trade for Baby Doge coin. Now that's that for Baby Doge coin. Now let's get to another bad boy, which is bread. Bread, you know, excuse. This is one of my play. And oh boy, whenever I see my analysis, pick up, I'm like, oh boy, I told you so. I told you so. Because I take time to analyze the market, and I analyze the market mostly on the daily time frame, and or let me just say higher time frame. Now, I already marked this zone that I believe or that I think bread is going to retrace from. The first zone, which is the 0.382 zone, this is where price is going to, and price has broken structure here. This is the structure that price has broken for bread coin. Look at it. It's clear, guys. Now, when price breaks structure, what do we expect price to do? Pull back. And the pullback is when you buy. I've been buying bread, yeah, because it's a good coin. It's a good coin. It's one of the top coins on the base blockchain. Anyone who is investing or who is using the base blockchain is going to hold bread. And bread is one of my best coin. I use bread more to make Ethereum. I have a wallet that it makes me only Ethereum. Okay, and I use bread to make Ethereum. Okay, and not only that, if say I see other opportunities like for if I see more coin is having an opportunity, I can buy more. But looking at this analysis now on the daily time frame, as I mentioned, what we expect is pullback. Okay, we expect pullback towards this area, yeah, or the pullback can even come after price has gone to like price can still do this. That's why I will never sell my bread for now. Let me not say I will never sell my bread for now. Like that's nonsense. I'm talking nonsense. I don't plan to sell my bread anytime soon. My bread coin until price get here. This is where I'm selling my bread coin. When I'm gonna see retracement here, I wanna buy more. So I'm not gonna take any profit from here, yeah, and yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna take out profit here because I know that if I take profit here or if the price get here, at least I'm gonna buy back when price is gonna get to this area here, like retracement here. So that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin on the daily time frame. And if we go to the 4 hours time frame, we can even see more data here on how this coin is moving. You can see like you can see here is this is even clear. This form here we need to see pullback, and we have the pullback have already started. Look at this red candle. So if I bring in the fib here on this lower time frame, can give me a bigger picture on not really a bigger picture, but short term picture on where price might head my retrace to. So this is the golden pocket. It might come here or come to the 0.382 zone. So where I'm looking to add more is 0.382 zone, zero point 0.5 or 0.618. So these are the area where I'm gonna be adding more for Bitcoin. So if say you want to invest in Bitcoin, fine, it's good. You can buy Bitcoin from any exchange out there. So yeah, I think that could do for you. You can buy Bitcoin from any exchange out there. Let's just see quickly the volume. Let's see Bitcoin. Let's see quickly the volume we have right now. 97 million. Then the volume has increased 57.51. You can buy this coin from Bybit. Oh, it's not yet on Binance. Imagine that Binance is gonna launch this coin or Coinbase. Oh boy, this coin can get to the market cap of Dogecoin. I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you that this coin, guys. If you wanna be an investor of Bitcoin, if you wanna be an investor of Bitcoin, you can still buy it now. It's fine, but buy it the way I teach you guys. Let me show you guys how you can buy a coin when if you want to buy a coin when the coin is pumping. Like for example, if I want to buy Baby Doge coin right now, let me just stay with bread. If I have to buy bread right now, I can buy bread here. Let's say I have $500. I can buy it for $100 here. Then if I see pullback here, I can buy it for another $100. I'm not able to pronounce $100 now. So if I see pullback, I buy for another $100. I see it, I buy for another $100. I see I buy for another $100. Then I buy again for another $100. So that's gonna be at least let's say yeah. So the $500 will expire here. Oh, I'm not able to speak, guys. It's like my lips is tight. Anyways, I want to keep pushing. So the idea is you buy with at least 10% and you keep DCAing the project until price get to a point where you're like, okay, now I don't have any money, so DCA again. I'm not gonna wait for price to to pump. But if you apply the other way around, you can have $100 that you are investing in this, then you have another $100 that you are trading the coin. So if say you buy and it comes down here, you buy with the $100 and it pull back, you buy again with the $100 and it pull back, you buy again with the $100. So you can be doing this, applying the same strategy, and making more Bitcoin and more Bitcoin and more Ethereum coin. All right. So this is just like how I go about. And again, guys, if say you want to learn this, I have a VIP group that you can learn all of this. Like join my VIP group and get my buy and sell signal. It's easy. If you don't have time to go through all of this, like you can just be part of my VIP, or you can join my portfolio management community. this one. Join the Beton Crypto Portfolio Management community. And when you do join my community, I'm gonna help you with everything you need to manage your portfolio, to make sure you have the right coins always. But if say you are gonna gain access to my VIP group, then you're gonna get my buy and sell signal. Whenever I'm buying, you're gonna get the signal. Whenever I'm selling, you're gonna get the signal. So click on this, go to the description of this video, find my link tree. Then yeah, you're gonna decide who you are or what kind of challenges you're facing, in the space. Now let's get back into this. So yeah, I think that's that for bread coin. There's nothing much more to say about bread. I think the next coin I want us to look at right now, which is the last coin, is MYRO, the dog. Okay, and I want us to focus on this on the lower time frame. Like this is the sorry on the higher time frame, and I've already marked my zones. As usual, I deal with my zones. My zones help me to understand market structure, when structure is broken, and where I can expect price to go to. Now, looking at this on the daily time frame, I think we can see price keep going to the upside for MYRO coin. Okay, and this might happen regardless what Bitcoin will do, because you know why this coin has been moving. This coin has been moving sideways for a long, long time. You can see here sideways rejection structure. You know, this zone here it has been it has been respecting structure. Yeah, you can see this zone here multiple times rejecting here, yeah, 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 and now we have broken structure. So I think the target for MYRO still stand this area here where I mark. That's gonna be around 0.16 or 7 price, yeah, for MYRO coin. So nothing has changed for MYRO. I think we are still in an uptrend, but if say you really want to take advantage of MYRO, you can still buy MYRO now. And if you see pullback, you buy again, but don't buy with everything you got. If you say your capital is $100, you can buy for $20. Then next time again you buy for $20, and then keep the rest in Bitcoin or Ethereum, right? So that you can buy again. And don't look at the USDT value. Look at the amount of Bitcoin you can make, or amount of that coin that you are investing in. How much you can make every now and then. So that's just what I'm looking at. And yeah, let me go to the comments. Thanks for those of you who have liked the content. Oh, Jacqueline Smith, you're welcome. You're welcome. Says best crypto analyst on YouTube. I'm so glad I came across your name on YouTube. Learning from you every day. I'm so happy. Oh, I mean, I'm humble. I'm humble. I'm humble. I'm happy. You are able to learn something from me. Keep learning. I'm also learning every day. And when I learn something new, I'm always gonna share with you guys. That's who I am. I want to see people succeed. We all must succeed. We have to. We must, because there's so much money in this industry that we need to grab it gradually. That's why I say cash out your profit gradually, gradually. But you have to cash out profit when it's time to cash out. Not anytime you see a pump. No, you cash out. No, but you have to look at levels, before you cash out profit. Yeah, I've been streaming now for 38 minutes. Yeah, I think that's it for today. Maybe you guys have some questions. Those of you who are watching on X, if say you haven't yet followed me on X, guys, go and follow me on X. Follow me on X. I'm gonna be happy. Let's say great content. I'm new here. Much respect from Tanzania. Oh, my brother from Tanzania. Is it Agwe? Agwe. You're welcome to my stream, brother. Love, much love. I'm currently in Maryland, United States, but I'm from Europe. I live in Sweden. I'm here for visit. So it's good to see you, my brother. It's good to see you. And one day I wish to meet all of you in one expensive party. We're gonna sit back and enjoy the gains. So that's just what I'm looking at. And I believe that if you follow my channel, you follow my education, you follow what I do here, my friends, you are gonna make money. You can, like those of you who have been with me, you can testify that you just have to be patient. Be patient. It doesn't matter how much you have. $100, $200, it's okay. We are gonna grow that capital gradually, until it get to a certain point where you're like, okay, now, I feel comfortable to say I'm making this amount from crypto. We have to build a plan. You have to focus on that plan, and when you focus on that plan, you are gonna make money. There's so much money to be made here every now and then. This market is now more than 2 trillion. Imagine that every day this market has the like $2 trillion has to be moving in, like in and out. You know what that means? It means if say you are able to get just a tiny percentage of that money every day or every week, it can build something for you in the future, right? So you can say next 5 years, next 10 years, you build it gradually. Crypto is not going anywhere. This is an industry which is here to stay. It's not going anywhere. Okay, and meme coins, other altcoins, we're gonna see even more category of coins are gonna come. We are here waiting for them to come to make money. So I appreciate all of you guys. Miro, $3 to $5 this bull run December. Yeah, it's possible. It's possible. And we are gonna watch and see all of this price action together. And I appreciate you guys for being here with me. See you guys tomorrow, same time. I think I should be doing this same early in the morning. Like when I say early in the morning, I mean my time where I am currently. I'm in the States, as I mentioned, in Maryland. So my time, this is early morning, still 18 minutes past 9. So I don't know, maybe where you are is in the afternoon. So let's call this a goal for today, guys. I'm happy you are here with me. Love you all. Take care of yourself. And if you haven't yet joined my group, again, the link is found at the description of this video. Join my free VIP, my free Telegram group. If you want to be part of my VIP, is good. You're gonna get my buy and sell alert or my portfolio management. The good thing, guys, is let me just say this before I go. When you are part of my buy and sell or portfolio management group, you are gonna make money. You won't be like, you wouldn't feel as if you're like, for example, if say you're paying a fee, maybe in the beginning you were like, okay, I have to pay to join this group. But when you already join, there's no reason for you not to make money, because you are gonna make money. You understand what I'm saying? And when you make money, then to keep being part of the group wouldn't mean anything, because my goal is to make you money. That's my goal, to help you make money. And if you cannot make money, then why be part of my community? So that's the idea. And I think how I'm different is, I don't just come here to tell you join my group, and most of the time I even forget to say join my group. You can, if you go and watch most of my videos, I even talk and forget, because I'm not here to say join my group. I'm here to educate you, you ought to understand that when you are buying this, you're buying this because of this, and when you are selling this, you're selling it because of this. There should be reasons why you do what you do. Okay, you don't just buy because it says buy, or some people will say, "Oh, this is gonna be bullish." I want you guys to understand the thought process behind everything. So that's it for you guys for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Ciao.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not